Aloha everybody, Tracy here. Welcome to my Hawaii channel where I talk about culture, history, language, current events, and answer your questions with aloha. Mahalo for joining me. Stay till the end because I'm going to talk about my next video in regards to this. For today, this is a language lesson vikyo, and we are talking about the word kupuna, which is grandparent, singular meaning one. So grandparent, elder, old person, and the word kupuna, and that means grandparents, elders, and old people. So that is the plural of kupuna. Now before we start the lesson, let's talk about those two words to make sure that your pepeao can hear the difference between grandparent and grandparents. Makoko,
I
kupuna, 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 kupuna. Do you hear the difference between kupuna and kupuna? Mai ka'i. For the sake of this lesson, we're using the kahako as an elongator, or it makes that vowel sound longer. The kahako doesn't always serve that purpose. Sometimes what it does is it emphasizes a vowel, but for the purpose of today's lesson, we're using it as an elongator, making that vowel sound longer. So let's practice one more time. Kupuna, 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 kupuna. Mai ka'i. I hope you heard the difference between those two. Now we're going to use those two words in a sentence, okay? And our first sentence is he kupuna keia. Let's practice it. Elima, 5 times. He kupuna keia. 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 Mai ka'i. And that means this is a grandparent, or this is an elder, or this is an old person. Remember, Hawaiian words sometimes have more than one or two meanings. Mai ka'i? Now let's practice this other sentence with the word kupuna. Mai ka'i. E ho'opili mai. He mau kupuna keia. 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 Mai ka'i. And that sentence is similar to the last one. We're using the word mau to show that this means more than one or plural. Yes? So this sentence means these, because keia means this or these when it's plural. These are old people. These are elders, or these are grandparents. Mai ka'i? I hope that was a good lesson for you. What I would like you to do is keep practicing those two words and keep practicing those two sentences. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. So my next vikyo is going to be a cultural vikyo, talking about kupuna and kupuna and the cultural value of old people or grandparents or elders in the Hawaii and the Hawaiian society. So stay tuned for that vikyo, and I will see you next time. Mahalo for joining me, and aloha. Ahui ho.